I am the Director of Spacecraft Integration, Tests, and Launch Operations. So my team is responsible for the actual build of the spacecraft, all of the testing that goes along after the build at the vehicle level, so all of the software, hardware, functional testing, and all of the environmental testing that happens at a test facility after we ship. And then once the vehicle goes to the Cape for launch, my team is there to do all the final preparations and all the actual integration to the launch vehicle prior to launch. The fact that a lot of us carry a lot of interesting experience from other places, but it's really kind of coming together to build this thing that we haven't worked on before. So we're finding a lot of interesting challenges to solve and little things that we thought were going to go one way but are going a completely different way. But luckily, we're a very adaptable team and program, and I think it's almost a strength that we haven't done this before because we're sort of coming up with new ways to do things as much as we can be. We're using our previous experience and some experience from experts to build our own path. My team is responsible for all the logistical planning for getting the lander from here to our test facility in Pasadena, California, and then from there to Florida. We get support from other teams as well, but we're responsible for making sure that the lander is safe during all that transit. We're talking about caravanning and renting RVs, and we're going through our packing list right now. It feels like we're prepping for this big summer vacation, but it's really exciting to think about the team just being out in California and knocking out this testing and then doing the same in Florida. I'm Butler, and we're going to the moon.